Hello all, welcome to R&D Labs with me Rohant, and today is an unboxing video that we are going to do, and we are going to unbox AirTags. This went on sale last week and we are going to unbox it today. So let's check this out. So this is the AirTag, and I have got a pack of 1. Apple usually sells it with a pack of 1 or with a pack of 4. So this is what I have. So let's quickly open this up. With this arrow over here, I think we can just peel this off from the edge. Okay. Let's see. All right. This is a documentation which nobody reads, so I'll just put that off to the side, and I'll keep the box right to the side and leave some space for you guys to see what is there within this booklet. So the tag is right here. As you can see, onto the left it says update the latest iOS, your iPhone or the iPad with the latest iOS or the iPad OS, and turn the Bluetooth on and pull the tag. Okay, so this is what you're going to do to activate, or rather sync your tag with the iOS device. And this is a tag right here in the middle, and to the right we have an instruction which says hold near to the device and follow the on-screen instructions. So this is what we are going to do, and let's pull this tag from the casing. And wow, the packaging as usual is great from Apple. So I'll just peel this nice little wrapper off. Wow, I feel it's ceramic or plastic, something like that is what I feel. So, and when you peel the packet off, you actually, you're stuck over here. You see this? So once you do that, the tag is activated. Okay, so let's do that. Wow, it did make some kind of a noise just to tell me that yay, I've been activated. Inside this is a 2032 battery, so I'll just open that up. I've just opened up the battery, and this is a 2032 battery right within the AirTag. Okay, so this is so if your AirTags are out of battery, you can just replace this. It's easily available across the store. Okay, so you can have this, and you can put this within the casing over here. So the plus goes in the plus sign right here. Okay, so you can put this within the casing, and you'll have to turn this clockwise to lock it. Okay, so it's locked in. I guess it's a bit of a yeah, it's fine now. Okay, so next up what we're going to do here is we will go to our FindMy app, or rather bring my iPhone closer to the AirTag, and as soon as it happens, the AirTag is recognized by the iOS as soon as I brought this closer. Okay, and what it does is it will allow me to pair this now. Okay, so let's see what are the steps required. So let's go ahead. Let's say connect. I will have to name the AirTag over here, and I will just say handbag, camera, bike, backpack, and just put it as backpack now. So this will ask me to register the AirTag to my Apple ID, and it gives me all my personal information which I'm going to hide, and I'm just going to click continue, and just setting this up. Wow. Okay, so now after the AirTag is set up, you have these options which comes up after the tag and your iOS device is paired. Okay, so what you can do is you can use this to precision find your AirTag, and basically you can find this AirTag with your iOS using your iOS sensor, Or what Apple claims is it has got 1 billion devices for finding your AirTag, and if this tag actually is away from you, any iOS device will try to find this tag, and it will kind of send the information back to you. Okay, the entire process is completely encrypted, and this is what Apple is claiming. And next you can do is, like, you can play the sound, you can find the directions for this particular tag on your FindMy app. Okay, so this is what you can do. And this particular tag is used for tracking your items, and Apple discourages people tracking, and it encourages only to find the items that are belonging to you. Okay, and this is what the entire sole purpose of this particular AirTag is all about. Okay, so let's see this particular tag in the Find My app. So let's go and find this. There you go. And let's open up the app by itself, and you can see that this particular tag is right here. And if I just move it far away from me, you can see that the distance increases. Okay, so and if I bring that closer to me, okay, it's just says it is here. Let's try that again. Wow, you see that I'm just moving the tag right behind me, which is around 1.2 1.7 meters away from my phone. And if I just bring that closer, it says that the tag is right here. Okay, so I'll just close this, and this is the current location of my AirTag. And let's play a sound. Wow, that's pretty loud. Okay, wow. Let's play that again. Great. One thing to note over here is, don't misuse the technology. Okay, this is the tag that is designed by Apple to track your lost items. Okay, and it actually discourages people tracking. So it's up to you guys to morally use it, and eventually technology succeeds. And I hope that this is actually helping you out to find your lost items.